Hi, welcome to Recharging with Champions. I'm your host, Charlotte Harrell, and today we are going to teach you quickly how to make a landing page in Canva. This landing page is really good for doing things like sending an invite via text or sending an invite or something about an event that you want to post on social media on your actual timeline and have a graphic that they can click through. So this is a quick website. The landing page is a one-page website that you're going to create that has a link in it. So when they open the website, they can click through to the link. So real quick, that sounds heavy, right? But it's actually simple. So you're going to come into Canva, and the first thing you're going to do is create a design. And you're going to search website. If you type web, it should come up. And it's going to bring you a blank website. Now, here is a trick that I mentioned in my podcast. You can really easily come in and get something from a design you've already made. So more than likely, if I'm a real estate agent and I'm doing a broker open or a realtor open house, I probably already have a graphic for that I can go and steal. So in this particular one, I'm just going to go steal this graphic. This is a graphic that I used on my website that said, "Thanks for watching when they watch a podcast." So it's got everything I really need, and I can just adjust my words to what I need it to say. So I'm going to make this for a join for our live event. And then let's just say it is June 1st, 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, slow time over here, and then register here. So you can actually make this right here. Actually, I'm going to say click here to register. Let's make that more clear. Click here to register. All right, so now I'm going to make this a link. Very simple. You just right click on it and then you click link. And then we're just going to paste the link from whatever that website is. So let me give you a couple of ideas. So this might be a link that goes to your registration page. You might have an event and you've got an Eventbrite and you take them to that, or maybe a Facebook event. So you can have a link directly to that event. It could be that you're doing a realtor open and you would like to have pictures of the house in here, right? So for more details on the home, click here. And when you click there, it's going to take right to your home website. Anything that you want them to click through on this invitation, you just right click and just say, make this a link, and paste the link. So go copy the link from whatever you're looking at and paste the link in, and that's going to make this a hyperlink. Now, you can also make this, which is kind of handy, if you have somebody that wants to take a picture of it. I use these pretty regularly. I put them in almost anything, even though I've got the click through. Some people are smart enough to know that if they snap a photo of this on their phone, they can just go back to that photo and long press. I've got a little cheat sheet for that. But if you want to know how to make a quick QR code real quick, I'm going to show you. You just come over here to apps over here on the left on Canva, scroll down to QR code. Again, paste that link in and create code, and it's going to give you a really nice QR code that you can use on your marketing. So you can obviously make this prettier, grander. For right now, we're just going to go easy, and I'm going to show you how you can make this live. So with Premium Canva, this is something that comes free with Premium. You do get a free URL. So we're going to come in and we're going to say publish website. If you've never done this before, the first thing that's going to take you to is, first you're going to say without navigation, because this is a one-page site. It is just a landing page. And we're going to say free domain. The first time you do this, it's going to ask what you would like your page URL to be. Guys, make this generic. Don't make this for your event, because this base page URL, the beginning of your website, you're going to reuse over and over and over in Canva. So I just made mine ABMGY, Kentucky, Indiana, Tennessee, right? Made it very simple. And then after that, I come in, and this event, I'm now going to add a subname. I'm going to say June 1st event. So that's going to be the actual subname for the URL. So it'll have the ABMG Kentucky / June 1 event. So that way you can reuse your base website over and over and over again and just make sub page names for anything you create from now on. Now, here's the cool thing. I don't need to do anything with these advanced settings. I'm not using this for SEO. I'm not going to try to find this in a search. This is literally a URL that I'm going to put in a text message so that I send a really cool invite that they can just click and register, and or I'm going to use it on my social media. So once you're finished with that, you just hit publish. And what's going to happen is it's going to publish it to that free domain for you right then and there. And you can check it. You can edit it after the fact. Don't freak out if it's not exactly right. First thing you're going to want to do is copy that website. That way you've got the website address and then just click view and look. So now I am on a completely different page. This is the website. This is what they're going to see when you send a text. It's going to look like a very small version of this website. If you put it in your social media, it's going to look like a very small clip of this website. So it looks good. And then if they click on it, it's going to take them right into where they can click to register or click to look at more homes. They can open it up and get a bigger view of that invitation. It's pretty. It looks good. And it's really simple. So if you had any edits that you wanted to make at this point, don't freak out. Just come back over to your actual Canva site and then hit right here, edit design. And if I want to edit this, take this out. Let's just say I decided I didn't want to have a QR code and I wanted to add some more details, right? Let's just come in here and just put some sparkles. I don't know. I'm thinking of fun stuff, right? Whatever you want to do, you can come in, edit it however you want, and then just hit publish again. And once you continue and publish, now it's updated. Now you can take this URL, send it to yourself in an email so you've got it on your phone. That way you can then text it out. And remember, this works perfectly with Reach. If you don't know what Reach is, go check out some of my other tutorials. Check out the Reach app. It's a great way of sending invitations to a bunch of people, and it works harmoniously with this perfect landing site. So please remember to like and subscribe. Share this with anybody that you think could use the tutorial, and we'll see you next week.